In primetime news this evening, $120 million for 50 years. Government ordered to pay George Williams for time in custody without trial.
Probe launched over dead babies at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital.
And I'm no scammer. Westmoreland businessman who was freed by abductors speak out. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up in business news, Carib Cement expands production.
And guess what? Giovanni Dennis is here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Anthony, I can tell you that the first test match between the West Indies and Australia is delicately poised after day 2 at the Kensington Oval in Barbados. I'll have the details of that plus so much more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Giovanni. And there is also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your expectations of this year's national trials?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at tvjnews Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.